Right, PDTech here with a little heads up about this Goodman's PowerBank, 10,000 milliamp hour PowerBank with LED smart display. Now they were £14, but they've reduced these to £12 now. Compatible with iPhone, Android. They've got this smart LED display that displays the capacity left. You've got two USB outputs. I think the 2 amps each, 5 volts, 2 amps each. And you've also got micro USB input for charging, and you've got USB-C for charging as well. So this is like a little step up from the last one I had. I'll show you the last one. They still sell these ones, the 4,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now mine's only got one output and a micro USB to charge it. And these are only 1 amp output. And it shows you with 4 LEDs there how full it is. And it says on the back there, the spec of it. So it's only 1 amp. I think there is another one with 2 outputs on, and I think they're 2 amps. So you can only charge this at 1 amp as well. So you can't fast charge it, I don't think. And it only outputs at 1 amp as well. So basically that'll do. My phone is the Galaxy S10, and I'll probably get 1 full charge out of that and like a little bit extra. Some phones you may be stretched to 2 charges on that. But this one's a lot bigger capacity, 10,000 milliamp hour, this one. So that other one, the 4,000 milliamp hour, they're £8 they are. So with these being £12, these are really good value now. So you can charge 2 devices with this, each with a 2 amp output. And I think this is the first one. So look at the back. So it's compatible with iPhone and Android. So you can charge it with micro USB or USB-C. And you get a cable for charging as well. I think you get a micro USB cable. So it's got overcharging protect. And it protects from fully discharging it as well. And short circuit protection. Slim design. So it tells you there, look, the bottom. 5 volts, 2 amps maximum. That's charging. Micro USB or Type C. USB output 5 volt, 2 amps. Max support for fast charge Apple devices. So fast charge Apple devices. And then USB 2 output is 5 volt, 2 amps for smartphone. So you got 10,000 milliamp hour. So for 12 quid, that's well worth it. Should get at least 3 full charges on my phone out of that, I would have thought. And you can also charge your drone batteries from this as well, so that's pretty good. Just thought I'd let you know. Let's unbox it anyway. So we've got really nice premium sort of packaging. Looks fairly nice. Tons of info there. I'll let you read that. 2 devices you can charge up simultaneously. And you can charge it up with micro USB or USB-C. So it's handy. That's the unit itself. It's not very slim, but Try and get that to focus a bit better. There you go. So you got a power button. 61%. It's quite a nice bright display, that. It's better. So you got your Type C and your micro USB slot there. Let's try and get that focused. That's the gump on the back. Yeah, 2 amps max. And you can fast charge Apple phones as well, Apple devices. So it's already got 60% in it. So I'll let you know how long this takes to charge on the screen now. That's well worth £12. These are great for charging drone batteries, taking along, charge your camera gear, just charge your phone up a bit, boost your phone. Anywhere where you need a bit extra power and you're away from the main display. These are brilliant. Little box in the bottom. That's probably got your charge cable in there. Let's have a quick look. You just get a white charge cable and it's micro USB. It's not bad though. So I've got a Type C on my phone charger anyway, so, and my phone charger's fast charger as well. So that's how it charges up. It flashes the display, so that'll go up to 62 when it's finished. So it's saying in now. %. So that's charging on my Samsung Galaxy fast charger. 5 minutes later and we're already on 78%, so it's flying through. It's definitely fast charging, so it feels really nice. Definitely a premium product. Feels really well made. Yeah, definitely a premium feel about it. You've got the logo there, Goodman's logo printed on. You've got the capacity printed on there. It feels like a brushed aluminium fascias and the rear as well. You've got like this sandwiched effect, black plastic. It's going up really quick now, that. There's nothing on the bottom. All your controls are on the top. Just the one power button. And all your inputs and outputs are there at the top. So it's telling you it's going in there, and it said out before. Yeah, very happy with that. Well worth £12. So I got this mainly for holiday. And you never know when you're away from mains connection. So you've always got the backup. Very useful. Great for drones as well. Okay guys, just thought I'd let you know that. From B&M Bargains these are. Take care, bye bye for now.